Hello everyone and welcome to another Looker Studio tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to change the data source in a Google Analytics Looker Studio report template. So let's say we have this Looker Studio report and we want to connect our own Google Analytics. How are we going to do it? It's very simple. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to click on page on the top left-hand side. Then you're going to say current page settings. And then here you're going to go under the setup column on the right-hand side. And under data source, you are going to click here. You're going to say add data. And you're going to simply select Google Analytics. Here you're going to select your property. And you're going to same drill, setup data source. And then you click here, you add data, you connect a different data source. But if you do it individually, this means that only things under data source, you click on the drop-down menu, you add data, select your Google Analytics property and data stream, and that's all.